Are you looking for a home that truly checks all the boxes? Hi, my name's Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 3950 Cynthia Drive in Casper, Wyoming. This home is on the east side near lots of shopping, lots of different schools. It has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it is beautiful throughout. Let's go look around. From the moment you step through the front door, you'll feel it. This is a home that you can tell there's pride of ownership, that has character and detail throughout the entire home. Now, this is a spacious kitchen. There are cabinets galore, and there's also cabinets that match the kitchen cabinets on the far dining room wall. You have lots of countertop space, stainless steel appliances, a portable island, and gorgeous hardwood floors that go from the kitchen, dining, and into the living room. The kitchen flows right into the dining area and out onto a spacious covered deck. Imagine summer dinners, evening wine, or weekend barbecues with friends right here. This front living room is one of 3 living spaces. It is an absolute great size. Again, has lots of natural light and lots of storage. Isn't this staircase the coolest? It leads you to the upstairs. Let's go check it out. This home has 4 bedrooms all on one level, which is super hard to find. The luxurious primary suite with a walk-in closet, additional storage, and a spa-like bathroom with an awesome large tiled shower and double sinks. Your personal retreat after a long day. This home has lots of space because these other 3 bedrooms are massive. This one has storage and nice bench seating below the window. The hall bath has a deep soaker tub, tile surround, double sinks, and 2 closets for storage. The cozy main living room, complete with a pellet stove, is the perfect spot to unwind. In this home, there's truly room for everyone. Off this family room, there's a nice sized laundry room and a half bath. This is also the entrance to the house from the 2-car attached garage. Need space for a quiet home office or a guest suite, or just need another living space? We got you covered in this basement. This home also features 2 furnaces, 2 central air units, so your comfort is covered in every season. You can see how great this yard is. There's a pergola and a deck behind me, mature landscaping, great grass, a sprinkler system. It's beautiful, and so is Raven. She's not included. This is a home where memories are made. If you'd like to see this home, please reach out to me. We can schedule a private tour. Remember, we want you and your dogs to live where you live. See you soon.